Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rumela and today we are going to do another fun 24-hour food challenge. And today I'm going to try Navratri food for 24 hours. I am so excited because firstly I love Maharashtrian food and ये लोग जो उपवास में बनाते हैं वो एकदम आलू and साबूदाना वो चीज़ों का बनाते हैं which I absolutely love. So I'm super excited for today's video. So it's 9 a.m. right now and we're going to go have some breakfast, but firstly we're going to go and make some breakfast. I'm not making, of course, mom is making breakfast, but I'm going to show you guys what she's making. I've already planned the whole video, of course, but जो मैंने breakfast में plan किया था वो मैंने already try किया हुआ है पहले, but apart from that all of the food items that I'm going to try in today's video is going to be for the first time. So I'm super excited for that part. But breakfast भी मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा पसंदीदा item है, like it's one of my favorite food items. So yeah, let's go in the kitchen and see what mom's making. Back to the same spot with my breakfast. It is साबूदाना की खिचड़ी, as you guys already saw, and this is one of my favorite. हम लोग पहले घर पे नहीं बनाते थे. My friends used to get this to school and I used to love this particular dish, and then I asked my mom to learn it and she learned from our maid, and now she makes very delicious साबूदाना की खिचड़ी and I am so excited to try this. This smells so good. I really love sabudana khichdi. So this is so good. If you guys haven't tried sabudana ki khichdi, you definitely should. It's so different. It's so filled with flavors. Even though it's vegetarian, it's so, you know, packed with flavors. Usually in the morning I always have eggs for breakfast, but this is so different, so refreshing. हम लोग बहुत rare बनाते हैं, ज़्यादा बनाते नहीं हैं, but I love having साबूदाना खिचड़ी any time of the day. It's my favorite. This dish is definitely a 10 on 10 from my side. I would have this at any given point of time or any given day. I would love to have this every single day. That's how much I love this. So I'm going to quickly finish my breakfast and I'll see you guys at lunchtime. guys, so it's lunchtime and I have my lunch here with me. I made kuttu ke aate ka paratha and dahi paneer ki sabzi. I wanted to make dahi aloo, but since the roti that I made already has aloo in it, I didn't want to have a lot of aloo. So aloo ki roti, aloo ki sabzi, सब आलू ज़्यादा हो जाता था. So I made पनीर की सब्ज़ी. दही आलू की सब्ज़ी तो आपने सुनी होगी, तो वैसे ही मैंने दही पनीर की सब्ज़ी बनाई. And I am super proud of myself that I made all of this for the first time. Of course I made these for the first time. YouTube पे videos देख के बस मैंने ऐसे ही बना लिया. I thought I'll try these myself, and I'm quickly going to do a taste test. So I have my roti here and I am going to take so I have my roti with the paneer. First impressions, the sabzi is quite tangy from the tomatoes and the dahi. It's quite tangy and it's very mild. It's very it's flavorful, but it's very low on spice. क्योंकि मैंने थोड़ा सा क्या डाला था, हाँ, pepper. I put a little bit of pepper and I think 1 chili. So it's not that spicy. If you like spicy food ज़्यादा, you can add a lot of chilies as well. But I think this is perfect. It's tangy, it's flavorful. It is a little spicy, and it's very nice. It's very delicious, honestly. I really love the roti. It has aloo and peanuts and a lot of other. What did I use? I don't even remember. Yeah, I put salt and pepper, then coriander, chilies and all of that. So it is quite flavorful. This roti will taste good by itself as well, just with dahi, plain dahi or achar or something like that. This will taste very very good, but with the sabzi also it tastes really nice. I absolutely love this combo. मुझे बहुत पसंद है Maharashtrian food, and Maharashtrian vegetarian food भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, because their food is so flavorful. Even though it's very simple, it's flavorful. This wasn't that simple, honestly. But the roti wasn't simple, the sabzi was simple. But it was good. I would give this lunch an 8 out of 10 rating. I wanted to make kheer as well, but मुझे टाइम नहीं था. I had to do some work, so इतना ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं था, तो मैंने खीर नहीं बनाया. I might make it for dinner. I'm not sure as of yet, but let's see. So I'm going to quickly finish my lunch and I'll see you guys in the evening. Guys, so checking in at 6 p.m. It's time for my evening snack. 6:30 हो गया है almost, and I have my dates milkshake here with me. Whichever recipes I saw like for Navratri on YouTube, उसमें एक खादा ही milkshake वाले recipes थे, and all of those recipes they used dry fruits. I think dry fruits milkshake ही ज़्यादा पीते हैं, या फिर apple and banana milkshake. इसके अलावा मैंने ज़्यादा milkshakes देखे नहीं, so I thought I'll go in with the dates wala milkshake. I didn't add any dry fruits to it. I added only dates and raisins, and it's milk and ice. That is all. I didn't add any sugar, and I didn't add dry fruits because आफ्टरनून में हेवी खाया था मैंने. द मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट जो साबुदाना था, दैट्स ऑल्सो क्वाइट हेवी, सो आई डिडंट वांट टू यू नो हैव लाइक अ हेवी स्नैक, सो आई चोज टू हैव डेट्स का मिल्क शेक. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू हैव दिस. ये भी मैं शायद ही पूरा ख़त्म कर पाऊँ, बट दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू हैव, एंड देन I will head on to make my dinner. अभी नहीं, थोड़े टाइम में, by 8. But dinner बहुत ही simple होने वाला है, but it's going to be something very different, and I am super excited for that as well. But first let's do a taste test of this. Wow. So while making this recipe, I added only 3 dates, but वो बहुत ही bland था. So I added 2 more dates, and this tastes so good. It has no added sugar, nothing. It's just milk and dates and raisins, which I think is quite healthy, because जो भी sweetness है वो natural, मतलब dates में से, it's natural kind of sugar. So it's not like your regular milkshake, but it will you know, satisfy those milkshake cravings as well. This is so delicious. I absolutely love it. Wow. So I am going to finish this probably पूरा तो पता नहीं, but I'm going to have as much as I can, and I'll see you guys in a while when I make dinner. Hi guys, it's time for some dinner and my dinner is here with me, but before we get into the taste testing, let's go and see how I make the dinner. Made some kind of snack, aloo ka snack, and I made kheer. Now since I was eating throughout the day, I am not hungry at all. थोड़ा सा भूख लगा है, so I just wanted to try something different. So I just made a snack and kheer because I didn't have anything sweet throughout the day, and lunch में मुझे खीर बनाना था but time नहीं मिला, so I thought I'll have it for dinner. So I just have some fried aloo. This is made the Navratri style, so I'm just going to taste that first. Wow, this is so good. It is similar to द साबूदाना वाला फ्लेवर बिकॉज ऑलमोस्ट वही सब ऐड किया है मैंने, एक्सेप्ट जो साबूदाना मतलब जो साबूदाना होता है वो. सो ऑलमोस्ट खिचड़ी का ही फ्लेवर है, बट इट्स वेरी डिलिशियस. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू हैव सम मखाना खीर. आई एम हैविंग दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. ये भी आई एम हैविंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. आई हैव नेवर हैड आलू लाइक दिस. सो लेट्स टेस्ट एंड सी. आई ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड टू हैव मखाना एज अ स्नैक. एक बार खाया था मैंने पुदीना वाला मखाना कुछ, but I've never, I never really snack on makhana that much. So when I saw makhana kheer is made for the Navratri wala, the upwas, I instantly wanted to try it. So I'm just going to taste this. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Honestly, you can't even say that it's makhana. मतलब ऐसे it's very soft. It's very it's like some kind of sponge inside the kheer, if that makes sense. ऐसे when I'm biting into the makhana, It feels like I'm biting into, you know, a soaked sponge, which is good. It tastes really nice. And also I added crushed makhana into the kheer. Usually सब लोग वैसे ही बोलते हैं, so that it thickens the kheer. And my kheer is quite thick, like it's not like your regular what do you say, rice वाला खीर वैसे नहीं है, ये एकदम thick है. And it's good. It's delicious. I'm so happy that I did not, you know, make like a full meal for dinner, क्योंकि अगर मैं ऐसा डिनर कर लेती थी, वैसा वाला डिनर, तो मुझे खीर खाने नहीं मिलता था, नहीं होता था. I mean, I really love it. I'm enjoying this. This kheer is definitely a 10 on 10. The aloo ka recipe I'd give like an 8 on 10. It's good, it's really good, but it's not like mind blowing. It's like the sabudana only, so it's not something new for me. But the kheer is so good. I'll definitely make it when, you know, someone's coming over and all. So coming to the end of the video, I love everything that I had today. The least favorite would be the पनीर की सब्ज़ी. इतना कुछ खास नहीं था. इट वॉज गुड, बट जो डिनर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था. द इवनिंग स्नैक वॉज ऑल्सो सो गुड. एंड द साबूदाना खिचड़ी इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट, तो वो भी बहुत अच्छा था. तो वो सब के कंपैरिजन में पनीर थोड़ा ठीक ठीक था. But I really love everything that I made today, and Navratri ka khana is so good. I made all of these myself, and Aisha also helped me, of course. But you know, making these and, you know, trying these Navratri recipes gave me so much happiness. It was a task, I must say, because पहली बार बना रही हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा difficult था. Especially making the roti was very difficult. I had to somehow get to the round shape and the texture and all of that, but it was fun. Maza aa gaya. It was a lot of work, but I really enjoyed, and I got to try something new as well, which I am all up for every single day. So that is it for the video, guys. Those were my thoughts about today's food. I really enjoyed every bit of it. I'm so happy with the outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as well. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You guys know the drill. And I'm going to finish my dinner, and I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.